Hi guys, an update on my video of Spencer Hunt's wing in ground effect. I think you can probably guess where we're going here. One of the suggestions on the video was flick it with a rubber band. And I thought, well, that's handy because the other video I published today was these rubber bands that I'd picked up on the ground. The postman uses them to bundle up the mail and then discards them when they've finished. And I picked up rather a lot of them. So I've been looking for something to do with them. And I thought, yeah, we'll flick that with them. It doesn't have a hook on it or anything like that to flick it with. So what I was doing, well, we can see under there what I was doing. I was using the legs of the chair rather like a bow, and that as the arrow. So we have the bowstring goes across the back like that, and we pull it back and flick it. And it was going reasonably successfully. I was getting about 2/3 of the distance down there, being fairly gentle. Still couldn't tell whether it was actually in ground effect or not, because it's just too small. You just can't see. You can hear it skipping over the ground, but that's fair enough. It's allowed to hit it occasionally. The only way you'd do a fair test would be to have a flat piece of plastic about the same size, flick that and see how far that goes skidding on the ground, and see if that actually went further because it was lifting itself off the ground with the ground effect. Anyway, so I joined two of them together, put them across the legs of this chair or stool, and then used it as a bow, pulled it back with that and flicked it forwards. And like I said, it was going reasonably well. We were getting about 2/3 of the distance, so I thought I'd try it with a bit more power, and that was just too much for it. We shattered it. I could glue it back together, but I'm not going to bother. We've given it a try, and we've still got the same problem. Whether it works or not, we can't tell, because it's too small, and you can't see whether it's actually lifting off the ground or not. So that's it. And I've just realised I've shot that in portrait mode, and it's taken about 2 minutes to explain it, so it won't be a short because it's too long. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.